How to book your teacher on WebTeachers.eu. First, we'll look at the price. In this particular instance, I'm gonna choose a price range from 5 till 13 euros, but you can adjust it as you wish to. Next, you can select the languages that you wish your teacher speaks. In this particular instance, I'm going to choose that the teacher speaks Latvian and Italian languages. I want to learn Italian language, so I'm gonna go to this tab right here, Teaches, and I'm gonna look for Italian language. So that leaves me only to one result for this, in this case. Next, what I want to do, I would like to see her profile. So I can see an introduction about her, what she does, etc. on. Here you can see preferred student age. So she likes to take students preferably who are 14 to 22 years old and 40 and older. Here you can see the language levels that she prefers to teach, A1 being the lowest level and C2 being the highest. I'm going to click book lessons. Here I can choose how many lessons I would like to purchase. If I purchase more lessons, it gets cheaper. Here you can see her availability calendar, and here you can see the total price of it. In this case, I'm gonna choose 10 lessons. Next, I have to input my Skype name. My Skype name is WebTeachers. Next, I select the payment method. I will choose Paysera because it is for cards and credit cards, but you can also choose PayPal. It will take you to the booking platform. Now, from here on, you can select which kind of bank do you have. I have Swedbank. You would normally get directed to your bank, and thereon would proceed the payment. Here I can see the teacher that I just booked. I'm gonna click book lesson. So let's see, I would like to have a lesson on Monday on 18th of November at 2 p.m. Yes. Alright, your lesson is booked. Now all you have to do is wait for the teacher's approval, and you will get connected. Next step is going on Skype. Once you get the teacher's approval, you will get confirmation, and you will get teacher's Skype, as well as she will get your contact details, and she will add you on Skype, and she will see you on 18th of January, and you can enjoy your lesson.